Hello, do you know the answer to this question? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. Today we're learning about how to count backwards, okay, so not forwards, backwards up to 20, okay? So that's like counting backwards, so you could say, for example, like this, what number comes before 27? It's 26, so it's going backwards, okay? But if we're going up to a number like 20, it would look like this. So, 28, take away 20. All you have to do is take away this first number here. So you go, and you're just left with, that's right, 8. So that would be the answer, okay? Let's try another number, like say 49, take away 20. What would that equal? Well done! That would equal 29. You're getting it now, really good, okay? So all you're doing when you're taking away 20 from a number like this is you're just subtracting, okay, and removing 2 away from the 10 value, okay? And you're not touching this, you're keeping it the same, okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!